Hello and welcome everyone to my channel. Today it's gonna be a vlog. So far I'm wearing just nice light colors, and my neighbors of course playing music from the early morning. It is a bit annoying, but I can't do nothing. So yeah, I've got the shorts from Zara. I don't have any boots yet, but today I would like to just create outfits with the burgundy boots, the new ones, so we will see how they fit. I must say that I washed my hair very late yesterday, and I really have to buy a microphone that is gonna be much better than I bought recently, so I'm still looking for one. And well, just I'm always asking you, if you have any ideas of the wireless microphone, please let me know in comments the brand and I will buy it. Just I don't want to buy something that will be bad quality. And I saw like microphones for €100 or €50 or €1,000, and I'm not sure if it's gonna be a big difference, and I just wanna buy something really good, and I don't wanna spend so much on it. So yeah, my hair a little bit still damp. It's like, well, I washed them really late yesterday, and I go sleep with my funny bun on my head. Yeah, so something like this. So I'm not really happy with the color, because color has been washed and hair doesn't look good. So I have to just do something. On 20 April I've got my hairdresser visit, so I can't wait for this. Okay, now I'll grab the boots and I will finish the outfit. I am always packed. This is just for one night, but I have to make a video, so it's gonna be a bit more. Now, the boots I will wear today. They are so, can you see this? I try to make a soft tan and it doesn't go well, so it is hard if it is invisible, and in the morning it is very visible. So yeah, I wanna wear these boots, and I wanna wear also the jacket, the Karen Millen jacket. I hope that you don't hear the stupid music. Well, boots are fine, and I'll just grab the jacket in a minute. So far I think that they look really great. Maybe the whole outfit it is a bit oversized on the top, but I want to check with the jacket and we'll see. Okay, so with the jacket it is just this way. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure if this is a good idea, if this is longer than that. I don't know. It is like you see, sometimes I've got an idea of the outfit, and then I'm wearing it and I'm not happy with, so I'm not sure if I'm supposed to change for any dress or something. I don't have much time now, but maybe I will change, because this looks already wrong. Or I can wear a coat, and this makes sense, I guess. I'm so happy I'm going, really. This is like blessing that I'm going from here. So I don't know, maybe I'm supposed to wear any hat or something. It's like, I feel like with the light colors I am very pale on my face, so maybe I'm supposed to change again. It's like, it is so hard today for me to wear any outfit. I will try just show you this once again with the coat. So because I don't know which handbag I'm supposed to wear. Just if something annoying me, it is very hard to focus on something, even on the outfit or just picking the boots or picking the handbag. I'm trying like not to worry, but it is sometimes really hard, especially when you have neighbors like this. So I don't know, maybe I should change. Don't ask how many times I changed my outfit. So finally it is 21 degrees, we have really hot day, and I'm wearing the beige boots and, as you see, the lovely green blazer. And well, maybe tomorrow I will just change for something else, but today picking the outfit was a bit funny. So just quick video from the new apartment, and I have to say that I really enjoy it. It is so beautiful and I love it. I love the colors, I love the size of it. Just the yellow kitchen, it is a big surprise. Would be good with my yellow boots, is it? But anyway, now it is a little time to chill. I have to unpack my travel suit. No, it is what? Travel bag. Anyway, I have to unpack my stuff, take a shower and just relax a bit. But I didn't show you well my whole outfit. I just show you a little bit in the car, but this is not the same. So I've got just the trousers. They are faux leather with in the beige color. Beige boots. I've got another boots in the beige, but I don't really like them. They look really bad. And the texture of the leather, it is probably not a real leather like they say in the description of the boots, so I'm not really happy with. They are definitely a real leather, and this is Kazar, so Polish brand, really wonderful. I had to trim them so they're not that skinny how they look. I had to trim them. So I think with the green blazer and my Zara shirt outfit, it is very spring and very colorful. In the camera blazer, it is much lighter color of the green than it is in the fact. But I like this. I like this shirt a lot because I can mix so many colors. I can wear white blazer, I can wear green, I can wear pink or blue, so many colors, orange also, and I think it is very, very cool. And pretty nice. So okay, so this is it in this video. I will try make unboxing on the next day, and well, it's gonna be a little bit travel, a little bit some vlogs and some fashion vlog and everything. So thank you so much for watching. This is it in this today video. Please subscribe my channel if you don't, and if you do, thank you so much. See you soon in the next video. Bye.